Yes, good afternoon, students. Now, exercise 10.3. Your first question is draw different pairs of circle. How many points does each pair have in common? What is the minimum number of common points? Students, they have told us to draw different pairs of circles. Like I have drawn these two circles, I don't have joined them. Second part is this, in which I have joined these circles, and third part is this, in which I have intermingled, tried to intermingle these circles. Now, looking at the first figure, there is no common point. They have asked us what is the maximum number of common points. There is no common point. In second part, they have joined at one point, so there is one common point. And in third part, both of these circles are joined at 2 points, P and Q, so there are two common points. Next, question number 2. Suppose you are given a circle, give a construction to find its center. Students, circle is given, but you don't know where is its center. You have to find it. How you can do? You have to draw two chords. Draw two chords PR and RQ. Right? And then draw perpendicular bisectors of PR and RQ. Perpendicular bisector, it's known to you as in previous classes you have done. You have to draw perpendicular bisectors of PR and RQ. How you can do it? Open the compass more than half the length of this PR and mark arcs below and above and join them with the help of scale, right? Similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector, open the compass more than half of the length of RQ, and then mark the arcs with the help of compass and join with the help of scale. The point where these two lines, perpendicular bisectors, intersect will be the center of the circle. So, since they have intersected at O, so O is the center of the given circle. Third question, you will not do, put a cross there. Okay, thank you.